So what we're after is using sort of traditional drawing skills to work out some sort of final design. I mean, this is just a sketch that was done on a post-it note. You can then photograph that and then import it into Illustrator to trace off the different points and form your vector basically over your original drawing. Also, just to give yourself scope, you could create like a really clean finished graphic just with ink on paper on a white background, and that gives you the option to be able to use like an auto trace function on the computer, which makes life really easy. You could just block this in with a marker, you know, give yourself a nice outline and then block it in, or even quicker, you could use some just black Indian ink and just block in that fill with the drawing ink. Just try and keep this edge as smooth as possible, because it just means less work that you need to do on the computer. And just make sure there's sort of no texture to the surface. When you get this into Illustrator, it will basically just look for the shape that it sees in the photo, and obviously just black against white, a lot of contrast, it makes the whole process just much easier. So you can just block it in so, and then we can, once completed, we can use an iPhone or something to photograph that and to send it to our email and make it accessible on our desktop or in a folder ready to use in Illustrator for the next stage.